Well, we've been here before. And it's really nothing new besides the fact that I am very much overdue for a wash. But I wanted to mention that I'm in the process of resetting. And by that I mean resetting my hair. So even though it's been so many weeks since I've done anything like wash my hair, a lot of product buildup and all that has accumulated over the span of, I'll just say, a month. And my hair has been telling me that for quite some time, and I'm finally doing something about it. So let me ask you, do you feel as though your hair is not behaving like it used to? Are you experiencing dandruff in your hair? Dry scalp, perhaps? Let's see what else. Itchy scalp? Is your hair just limp? Not as defined as it used to be? Well, I think you may have come to the right video. In this video, I will be doing an ACV rinse, also known as an apple cider vinegar rinse. And there's so many great benefits to apple cider vinegar rinse in that it helps in clarifying your scalp and removing old debris and all the other amazing things. I have a video of me doing an apple cider vinegar rinse, so if you haven't seen that, I will link that up above and check that out sometime when you have some time. Yeah, my hair is pretty dry. Okay, so yeah, I do have like some flakes here, as you can see. So I need to clean my scalp and my hair. So the first step in resetting my hair, I first want to start off with a clean base. So basically I want to start off with a clean foundation, and that's what I'm going to be doing now, and that involves, again, clarifying my hair, cleansing my scalp and my hair very well before I jump to anything else to assess my hair and understand why it's been behaving the way it's been behaving, why a certain section of my hair isn't as defined as it used to be, and so forth. So I first just want to start with clarifying, and then I'll come back with another video on what I'll be doing next. So this is what this video will be focusing on. I won't be speaking the rest of this video. I hope you all enjoy, and I will see you all in another video. Bye.